Going forward from here, of course, we will get to see the results tomorrow or day after, latest for the US elections. Then all eyes will be on the US Federal Reserve. A lot more has to play up macro as well. How are you really advising the clients to really play in this market? And what is the best way to be safe yet be able to take the best of the opportunities that present themselves?
So, if you want to play the event, so there are a lot of this thing views here, but we believe if Democrats come back to power, I think it will be, it's business as usual, and markets will like it. But if the Republicans come to power, there could be a short-term rally, but then that should be followed by some kind of a selling pressure, especially in the emerging markets, because of all the talks about the tariff hikes, all the talks about the inflationary environment, and the possibility that the bond yields will go up in US, and that will strengthen the dollar. So Trump win could actually lead to some kind of a short-term celebratory kind of an upsurge, but that would be the time to sell rather than buy, because we believe the kind of policies that he's been talking about, those are not in the right direction in terms of the emerging market equity.
How are you looking at this sharp recovery that has taken place in just the last 1.5 hours of trade today? Does it indicate that a near-term bottom has been made in the markets? We've tested 24,000, we've come back above it again. Or do you think this is just a dead cat bounce?
We can't say tomorrow what will happen, but I am extremely bullish that the investor at large will forget US election from next week onwards. It doesn't matter whether Trump comes or Kamala Harris comes. If Kamala Harris comes tomorrow, we may say some weakness. If Trump comes, the rally may continue. But all that will happen only for 2-3 days. Why I am saying is that similar view I always had for budget and state elections in the country. It doesn't matter much because logically US cannot antagonize both China and India. It has to maintain the friendship with either one of them. So right now, it doesn't look like they can go very close to China. Rather, it would be very close to India only. And India also, the dependence on US is very high. We export more than $100 billion worth of goods and IT services. So it's a natural alliance that would last. So therefore, US election won't matter much for the market. So I was expecting market to bounce back next week, but surprisingly, it has happened today. But I have suggested my clients that by any chance tomorrow, day after tomorrow, because of the election, it falls. That should be taken as a good opportunity. So one should be ready with the money to invest in quality small and mid cap stocks. I'm pretty confident 2-3 months, this entire 25 lakh crore erosion in the small and mid cap, largely it will be recovered very fast.
Okay. So where
Sakshi,
exactly?
only those people will benefit who had the courage to buy the SBI Nifty ETF as Business Today had suggested. And mark my words, we had said break it up into 10 equal installments.
Yes.
Buy every other day. You should buy even today, as you should have bought on Friday.